Coming up next, local dance group wins top international award. A local dance group, VOU, was announced as the 2016 winner of the Edinburgh Festival Fringe Sustainable Practice Award for their production Are We Stronger Than Winston at the awards ceremony in Scotland last week. The awards aims to reward shows that take responsibility for their environmental, economic and social impacts and think big about how the arts can help to grow a sustainable world. There were over 3,000 shows at the festival. VOU director Sachiko Soro says it was important to tell the world about the devastating impacts of climate change on Fiji, but also demonstrate the resilience of Fijians. Are We Stronger Than Winston was the first Fijian production at the festival and was choreographed by Navi Wong, who used the medium of dance to describe the impacts of Cyclone Winston on Fiji.